Chasing sheep in the mud on the west coast wild. No power on the grid, solar style. Mucky boots, rain jackets running through the gorse. We're off the grid, Kiwi farming, having a blast. Living on rainwater, hoping it will last.
Where you going? You rope around your leg? I'll do this one first, so I need to frames that are frames and the other one. And the brush.
Whitetail. Those bees on it. A lot more active than I thought they would be at this time.
Yeah, a lot more active.
Aren't you just putting a box on top with the frames in it?
No, I've got to take some of these frames out and put, but they're really, really full in here.
I thought that's why you grabbed the extra box.
It's for the other one. They're a bit grumpy, Dale, so you might not want to be there.
Bye.
Retreat back.
There we go. Watch it now.
We've got 6 there now. I think that might really do us now. Otherwise I've got to take another 3, which is 9, and there's just not enough done. I'll just clean the top of this off.